Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can solve the problem with not importing audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. It doesn't matter if it's 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15. So what is happening right now that when I have some secure footage here and I take it and I paste it, I don't have any audio at all. I'm like, what the should I do, right? What I'm gonna do? So what you want to do is just click here on the A1 right beneath the video one, the V1 and V1, and also choose this one, the toggle the track targeting for this track. And I'm going to paste the video, and as you can see, the audio is loud and clear. So again, when you choose it, choose A1, and just you need to click it. It's really simple. And if this video was helpful, you can support me, subscribe, you know how it goes. I'm begging you to subscribe. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a blessing and amazing day, because you are a what? Amazing person. Goodbye.